How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you the best monitor settings for your PS5 and Xbox. So the first thing that you want to do is to head over to the back of your monitor, and from there you can find the OSD controls, which will then look something like this. So an option or settings will appear on your monitor, and then you want to apply the following setting. Basically, for our core setup, you want to set it to 4040p or 4K if supported. The refresh rate is going to be 120 Hz, which is really important. For the adaptive sync, you want to turn this on mainly for Xbox. For game mode, of course, we have our own preferences, but generally you want to use the user or standard mode, which has the best overall settings. The FPS mode can provide better settings for shooters because of its better visibility. Now, if your monitor can support the night vision or black turner, you want to set this to 5 between 10. This helps us spot enemies better in dark areas. For performance, you want to set the response time to fast, not the fastest, because this can actually cause ghosting. For the anti-motion blur, you want to turn this on, but it is completely optional. It may reduce brightness. For the display, you want to set your brightness according to your room. Generally, you want to set this to 60 and 80. Contrast at 70, color temperature at warm and normal. And lastly, you want to turn off HDR and you want to turn off extra sharpening and image filters. And so that's the best MSI monitor settings for our PS5 and Xbox. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.